Hi.
Hi.
Hiya.
Hi.
Hey.
What's up?
Hi. We're doing.
How you doing?
How are we doing?
How are we doing?
It's
How are
madness.
you doing?
It's chaos. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm totally fine.
I am fine.
We are showing you guys some behind the scenes of our prep for SEMA show 2025. If you don't know what SEMA is, you probably live under a rock or you don't do cars. It's basically like the largest car show in America.
Yeah.
Maybe top 3 in the world.
Yeah.
And it's industry only. So anybody that makes anything for cars is going to be there, including Mutoh America, our print company.
Yeah. And us.
And we go, yes.
We're there.
Many things are there. A lot of automotive restyling. So a lot of rappers show up. It's a good time to like network, but also see all the new products on the market. They do lots of different training courses and seminars, and like there's just so much going on. But if you're a car person, like you have to go to SEMA. It's like the ultimate bucket lister for car enthusiasts.
You have to be in the industry.
Or you have to know cool people like us.
You have to know cool people.
So, we are getting ready for SEMA. This year we're trying to start all of our custom cars well in advance. So we started wrapping them back in August, and we have until the end of October to do these cars.
Which is a lot more time than we had last year.
Yeah. So normally the cars that we bring are the super custom printed cars, the ones that we go all out on, and they're usually wrapped like throughout the year, or they've already been wrapped for a while. Sometimes we wrap them right before SEMA. Yeah. This year we're bringing more cars than we ever have, which I think we have 9. 9 cars, including a one-of-one jet car.
Oh yeah, that's a cool one.
The one way in the back corner over there.
We're gonna try to get them to let us light it off at the show.
We'll see.
But we'll see about that.
Don't give that away. Anyways, we have 9 cars to do, including our live demo booth car. 3 of the projects here alone, out of the 4 SEMA cars here, are full door jams. Underhoods, door jams, clear bra, multi-layered wrap, like crazy all-out custom. And we're juggling 4 of them at once, and we still have another one coming in. And that doesn't include any of the last minute freaking people that are gonna show up in October wanting a sponsored wrap for SEMA. And I'm gonna tell them to freaking kick rocks.
I like rocks.
Kick rocks. So anyways, take a peek, check it out. We're just like juggling cars right now. We are already doing overtime on weekends. We're already getting crazy, but like,
it's a madhouse.
To me, I enjoy this because these are my most custom projects that I get to showcase to the people that matter to our industry, and really show what we can do. Like I said, these cars are full door jams, very complex, multi-layered, multiple week jobs.
Assembly.
Full everything. Yeah, like this is when we get to go all out.
It's like she said, it's kind of fun for us because we don't do that all the time. I mean, it's most of the time.
We do a couple a year, but it's not like every single day.
When we get to like really get into it.
Yeah, like this car back here behind me, he gave me full creative reign. So that's when I like really go above and beyond and just like create wraps of art. So let's create.